Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Shopify, and basically I will do this all on the camera. So you want to start a free trial. If you haven't already signed up to Shopify, I'm going to click on that. Now you will be redirected to this page where you can try Shopify for free 3 days and then continue for $1 per month for 3 months, I believe. So you're going to write your email here, or you can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So I'm just gonna sign up with Google. Now, when you will click, for example, on Google, you want to create a Shopify account and confirm your Shopify account right here. And now, as you can see, you have already signed up to Shopify. You can extend your trial and enjoy your first month for $1. And now, as you can see, my trial ends in 3 days, and then you need to select a plan. So we can actually click this option or this, and you want to select a plan. Now, as you can see, there's the most popular basic plan for solo entrepreneurs who just started to work on this. So as you can see, you can actually choose your credit or debit card here and basically enter all of your information here. Or you can also choose PayPal, which is also really convenient. And now when you click online store, you can see that there are some themes which you can choose from and customize them. And basically like that, create your shop and then of course publish it and so on. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.